loving God, I come to you today with a heart burdened with weariness. The weight of my struggles feels unbearable, and the path ahead seems shrouded in darkness. I am exhausted, my spirit is broken, and the temptation to give up is strong. But I know that you are my refuge, my strength, and my hope. You are the one who sustains me in my darkest moments, and you are the one who gives me the strength to keep going. Lord, I need your help. Please give me the grace to endure this season of difficulty. Help me to see through the fog of despair and to remember that you are with me even when I can't feel your presence. Give me the courage to face my fears, the wisdom to make the right choices, and the perseverance to keep moving forward, one step at a time. Lord, help me to remember your promises and your love for me. Remind me that you are always with me, even when I feel alone. Remind me that you have a plan for my life, a plan that is full of hope and purpose, even when I can't see it. I know that your plans for me are good, and I trust in your perfect timing. Help me to find my strength in you and to keep moving forward with hope, even when my heart is heavy and my spirit is weary. Amen.